Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In the last tutorial, you have learned how to use different value resistor for dimming the LEDs or effect of different value resistors on the glow of LED. Okay, in this tutorial, we will see how to use this device which is called as a multimeter to measure the values of different resistors. In the last video, manually you have checked the different resistors and using them on the sample circuit for checking the glow of LED, and then you have arranged them in a increasing or decreasing order. But by using this device, we can directly calculate the values of resistor and arrange them in an order and use them in our circuit as per the use. So first of all, let's see what this device does. So this is the device which is called as a multimeter. This is called multimeter because it is used for measuring the different electrical quantities. Now in your kit there is a probes. These probes, this red probe will be used always on this side, where V, this symbol is of ohm, and MA means milliampere. V is for volt, this is for ohm, this is for milliampere. So we have to find the value of resistor, and resistance is measured in ohm. So we will insert this red probe on this terminal. Then you are having a black one. This will be always used on this common port. Okay. Now you can see this is a knob which is rotating clock and anti-clockwise direction. So this is the position for off, and here this is the reason for voltage, and this is the reason where this ohm symbol is there, is used for measuring the value of resistance. So as per our value of resistor, we will turn the probe, yeah, this knob on these values. Got it? Suppose I am having this bunch of resistors, I have to find the values, and closely will see what will happen if I will uh, use any false value resistor on a given side. So we have to just turn this on any of the side. Suppose I am going to make it only 2000, because the resistors that you are using in your kit is having different values. Okay, one more thing is that every wire is also having some resistance. So let's check. If I'll make it on just 200 and I'm having, suppose, this wire with me, so let's check whether it is giving any of the value or not. I'll just keep one probe on one end and second probe on another end. See, you can see 3.1. Okay, you can see 3.12. It is 3.2 ohm resistor. It means wires are also having some resistance, and as per their length and quality, their resistance also vary. Now let's check these resistors. I'm going to check any of them, like I'm having this. See, if your resistor is showing some value, then you can note it down. See, if I'm going to check it, it is showing the one value. It means the this knob is not on the appropriate reason. If the value is showing 1, then you have to just make it a little bit of more. Now check, it is showing 331. Okay, so this is the register with value 331. I'm going to keep it here. Now check the another register. I'm going to check anywhere, any of the register. See, again I am having this register, it is showing the value 1. It means again we are having this on the less value, we are making it on a 20k. Now let's check. Again it is showing 1. Yeah, now on 200k it is showing the value 95, 94.7, or we can say 95 kilo ohm, which is k. K is for kilo ohm, you can see k. Okay, this is of 95 kilo ohm. So I'm keeping it down. This is having value of 330. Now I'm having different resistors. See, it is showing very less value. It means we are using this at highest value. We have to just reduce it. See, it is 219, almost 220. Okay, so 219 is above it. It was 330. It is 220. It was like 97k. I'm going to put it here. Now let's check the next value. Any of the register you can take and just check the value. It is showing 1. It means I have to just turn it to the higher value. See, it is 9.856 something, 9.85 kilo ohm. Again, see, this is K, 9.5 kilo ohm. I'm going to keep it here. In a increasing order of resistance, I'm going to keep this. This was 220, it is 330, it is 100, it is 10, it is 100, and I'm having some more. Value is 1, so I have to increase the value. Again 1. On the scale of 2000k, it is showing 767k. It means it is of 1 mega ohm value. Okay, it is of highest value resistor. Got it? Now next is this resistor. I'm going to check this also. Again, I have to just see, it is showing some lesser value, so I have to turn my resistor on a different range. See, it is 0.98, or you can say 1k. Again, it's a k reason, is kilo ohm. It's 1k reason. 1k will be above the 10k. Okay, let's check again one by one the values with what we are using. I have just changed to 2000 and check its value. Yeah, it is 220. It is 330. 220, 330. Then it is 980. It means we have to little bit of make it more, so it can show the nearly 1k. This is a 1k. 1k means 1000 ohm. Okay, it will show you the nearly value, because this wire which is used in the probe is also having some resistance, so it may show some lesser or values. 9.78 kilo ohm, which is nearly 10 kilo ohm, and this one is of 100 kilo ohm, as I have shown you. If it is showing the value of 1, then you have to make it 200. It is showing 93, means it means nearly equal to 100, and this is of 1 mega ohm, as I have shown. So it will be very easy and convenient if you are using this kind of multimeter for measuring the value of resistance. And by using this multimeter, you can not only find the values, but as per your requirement, you can use them. Okay, in the next tutorial we will learn about the combination of resistors and finding their values by using the multimeter, and how the combination affect the glow of LED. We'll see that also. I hope you understood how to find the values of resistor by using the multimeter. Bye bye.